This is the Owen James Report. Tourist arrivals to Jamaica soared by almost 7% during the first 8 months of this calendar year, and spending was up too. That's according to Tourism Minister Edmund Bartlett at a media briefing Wednesday, where the impact of a $384 million loan facility on 21 small tourism-driven firms was shown.
There was a 6.9% increase in stopover arrivals in comparison to the corresponding period of 2016. In addition, cruise passenger arrivals were up 5.1% for the same period. From a total of 2.8 million visitors in that same 8-month period, Jamaica has earned a record $2 billion, which is 8.3% increase over last year. And I want to emphasize that because the earning at the same period last year was $1.83 billion. So what we're saying is that the impact of building these underpinnings are creating greater expenditure. That is, the tourist is spending more in the country because we have more to offer them.
In keeping with global trends effective within the first quarter of 2018, the Jamaica Stock Exchange plans to shorten its settlement cycle from T+3, or 3 days following a securities transaction, to T+2, or 2 days following such transactions. Now, this means that following the transactions, dealers and clients will pay and get paid a day earlier come the first quarter of 2018. In terms of global trends, in 2014, Europe moved from a settlement cycle of T+3 to T+2. Canada and the United States are committed to moving to a settlement cycle of T+2 in the third quarter of this year. Simply put, the global trend is towards shorter settlement cycles, and shorter settlement cycles speed up things for both clients and dealers in securities. News on trading on the Jamaica Stock Exchange now, where both the combined index and the main JC index fell marginally today. The combined index dipped 153 points, or 0.06%, while the main JC index slipped by 230 points, or almost 0.1%. 51 stocks traded, with 22 advancing, 27 declining, and 2 holding firm. Winners included Access Financial, Cable and Wireless Jamaica, Grace Kennedy, Jamaica Producers, NCB Financial Group, Sagicor Group Jamaica, Sagicor's Real Estate X Fund, and JMMB Cumulative Redeemable 7.5% preference shares. The losers included 138 Student Living, Barita down 15.9%, Berger Paints, Carreras, Caribbean Flavors, Jamaica Stock Exchange, Cayley Group, Lasco Financial Services Main Event, Consolidated Bakeries, and Salada Foods down 19.7%. Finally, on the foreign exchange market, the benchmark American dollar strengthened by 31 cents Jamaican to an average selling rate of $129.64. The Canadian dollar gained 5 cents Jamaican, settling at a new record high average selling rate of $103.76 Jamaican. However, sterling weakened by $1.81 Jamaican at an average selling rate of $165.72. Authorized dealers and cambios bought the equivalent of $83 million and sold $59.3 million, or 28% less than what they bought. That's the Owen James Report. Good evening.